The education system has evolved for the past 200 years. How does it support the current continuous revolutions? The education system has not been for learning, but for standardization and compliance. Welcome everyone to Session A, Design and Learning.
I was just in a session around ecology and design. I was extremely impressed with the level of depth in the call and the ask of the panelists for us to sense the world differently and embrace the responsibilities we have towards what we're doing in engineering, architecture, and design, but also towards future generations, and also in terms of correcting the mistakes of the past.
We also need to recognize our success. Rethinking our higher education system is a more positive approach into recognizing the mistakes that we have been making, but also accepting the wonderful things that our higher education system has provided to our society.
We are seeing in this event the convergence between design, education, and the practice of engineering, and here in the context of Pearl. And we're very much looking forward to see how all these things go together as we define the future of design.
We acknowledge the land as something that contains us, and we acknowledge that our bodies are also land. For us to be here today, there have been a lot of sacrifice.
Can we bring entanglement and dialogue into the studio setting?
My job is to bring in practice and academia together, so I've never felt that there is anything but having to deal with the entanglement.
What we have at the moment as the university is at best a leaning tower of Pisa on a swamp, and it's gonna fall.
I think it's important, the communication, the sense of belonging, exchange ideas.
Universities are about people, and universities are about mentoring